Hey, it's Dr. Josh. So today we're going to talk about endometriosis. So endometriosis is actually one of the leading causes of pelvic pain. It's also one of the leading causes of infertility. It can seriously affect a woman's ability to conceive, and it can also cause uncomfortable, painful, irregular menstrual cycles and periods. So what is endometriosis? So endometriosis is a condition where the tissue that normally lines the uterus, the endometrium, it's where that tissue grows abnormally and it grows in areas that it shouldn't be growing in. So what makes endometriosis really tricky is that this tissue, this uterine lining tissue that grows in the wrong places, it responds just like your normal uterine tissue would respond to your monthly fluctuations in hormones. So what happens is every month that tissue will shed itself some, it'll start to bleed some, and unfortunately there's nowhere for this shedding and this blood to go, so it congeals up and it creates masses in your pelvic cavity. So the main treatments with Western medicine, they're going to be birth control and they're going to be surgery. They'll go in and they'll laser off this tissue. What can Chinese medicine do for endometriosis? It's actually one of the conditions I see every single day here in my clinic. It's something that responds exceptionally well to both acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine. So when a patient comes to me with endometriosis and all the associated symptoms, the pain, the irregular menstrual cycles, infertility, and just the general discomfort that can be associated with this monthly fluctuation in hormones, my goals are, one, to get their hormones more under control so that they're not fluctuating so wildly. Two, to reduce the proliferation of this uterine lining, of this tissue that's growing in abnormal places. And three, to get their body to function as best as it possibly can. So what acupuncture does is it stimulates blood flow to all of your reproductive organs, and it actually stimulates the production of something called endorphins. Endorphins are endogenous morphines, so they're pain-killing chemicals, and so we can get your body to release these super strong anti-inflammatory pain-killing chemicals and help get your pain and inflammation more under control with just acupuncture alone. One study showed that 81% of women using acupuncture to treat their endometriosis had a significant reduction in pain during their monthly cycle. Here's a clinical tip. You have to get enough acupuncture for there to be a therapeutic effect. It's like going to the gym, right? You can't go to the gym one time and expect your body to completely change. Same thing with acupuncture. You have to get enough treatments in the right time period for there to be a therapeutic effect. With Chinese herbs, we use medicines that help to both reduce inflammation and increase circulation into your reproductive organs, and in turn that helps break down masses and decrease that proliferation, the growth of those uterine lining, those uterine cells into areas that they shouldn't be. What should you do? Well, you should get regular acupuncture, and you should talk to a doctor like myself, a doctor of Chinese medicine, who can develop a specific and personalized Chinese medicine formula for your specific needs.